Once I was obsessed with being the best. It pecked at my brain and gave me no rest. Whatever I did, I felt I came up short. Dissatisfied like a bad weather report. It was either let go or go totally nuts. Get up on the smooth lane and out of the ruts. Feeling the wonders of diversity. Forgo the I and the my and the me. Birds and balloons fly in all directions, all of them perfect, need no corrections. The whole is not more than the pieces that make it, each apple unique from the tree when you shake it. Not just one story, not the same tune, but different like stray cats, birds and balloons. Yeah. I've learned to see life from above, not below. Do things that have meaning, not just for show. Not buy into phonies, con men and fools. Living each day by my own set of rules. Someday I will ride that freight train in the sky, singing in the boxcar so you'll know I'm passing by. Just to let you know, in my earthly time, try to make it dance, make it ring, make it rhyme. Birds and balloons fly in all directions, all of them perfect, need no corrections. The whole is not more than the pieces that make it, each apple unique from the tree when you shake it. Not just one story, not the same tune, but different like stray cats, birds and balloons. But different like stray cats, birds and balloons. Freight train. For the great Elizabeth Cotton.